Today we have a 2022 Sylvan 8522 Mirage LZ Tri-Toon. Show you underneath here, it does have the performance package on it. Two loungers in the front, recessed cup holders, dual captain's chairs, they are the high backs, rated for 12 passengers, stereo, depth finder, tilt steering, does have a changing room if you want to put a porta potty in there, and in the rear you have two more bench loungers. You kick your feet up and lay back. Table. Does come with an electric bimini. We just brought this one in, so we got to finish setting it up yet. Does have a ski tow. Nice stainless ladder. 150 horse Mercury. Does have hydraulic steering on it. Full cover. Stop in our Antioch SkipperBud's and check this one out.